Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I am here with a Fetch Rewards tutorial. And yes, Fetch, you don't really talk about it too often. I don't want to slam Fetch because it is a decent app. I don't get a ton of rebates from Fetch. I really don't. But there are good advantages to having Fetch. There really are. So with Fetch, it's very, very plain and simple. You buy products, you scan your receipt, and you get back points. There are two different kinds of offers on this app. One is kind of like everyday points. So if I buy an item from a certain brand, which let me find you some of the brands. They must not have that listing anymore, but there are tons of participating brands. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. They have all of these brands that are participants in the Fetch program. All of them. They all participate in Fetch. If you go in the store and you buy one of these products, you will get some points back. I'm not going to lie. The points are pretty much worth nothing. I mean, they add up over time. They do. But off the initial bat, they're not worth that much. However, the way you really can bank on Fetch rewards is if you do these types of offers. Like this. 1,000 points on Kool-Aid Sour Jammers. 1,000 points on Fetch is equal to $1. 2,000 points is equal to $2. 3,000 points is equal to $3. So that's kind of how it runs on there. Very similar to Walgreens points and what they are worth. So yeah, they have lots of points. Particularly, they have a lot of Unilever brands on here. And stuff like that. So with Fetch rewards, basically what you do is you can cash out for gift cards. I don't have any I can't even get one right now, but they have lots of gift cards to lots of random places. They really do, a lot of places. I would say Fetch is for sure the best with gift cards. They have a huge selection of gift cards to just about everywhere. CVS, I didn't know they went up to 10,000 points now, to $10. That'd be good at Black Friday. Anyways, lots of points on here that you can get cash out for. So the principle of Fetch, you buy products and you get back points. So they have other offers like this. Spend 15 on You by Kotex, get back 1,500 points based on the final price paid. That is really important. This is after coupons, and this is after any store credit you use. So Amy Stotts, who watches my videos very faithfully, she went to CVS and was using her ECBs to buy Poise, which is a brand that had a deal going, and they wouldn't give her any points back because she used ECBs to pay. So when she had to offer like spend 60, get back something, and it wouldn't track because she used ECBs to pay. So that is something to remember with Fetch. It's kind of a bummer, but that's what they do. So keep that in mind. So if you wonder, how do I upload a receipt to Fetch Rewards? Basically what you do is you click on the scan tab and you click the little camera. And I don't have a receipt here, but it's going to look for a receipt. So you will just literally line your receipt up here in their little frame. If it's longer than that, they will let you do multiple pictures. And that's how you do it. That's how you upload a receipt on Fetch. So that's honestly the gist of Fetch Rewards. If you would like to sign up, I would really appreciate it. If you sign up, you'll get back 2,000 points, and I'll get 2,000 points. So, like, if you went in there and you did that Kool-Aid, you'd have a huge moneymaker because you'd get the 1,000 points, and you'd also get 2,000 just for signing up and doing your first receipt. So, yeah. And then you'd be able to cash out for a $3 gift card right now. So, I would definitely recommend signing up for Fetch. You haven't. It has definitely come in handy sometimes. It is one of the more slower apps, but it definitely does come in handy from time to time. So yeah, if you don't mind, please sign up using my code. It helps the both of us out. You won't get the 2,000 points if you don't use my code. So yeah, that's all that I have for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.